Hey everyone, KrushTheDeveloper here. Now I know it's been a really long time since I've uploaded a video, and I apologize for that. You guys deserve a tutorial after all this time. So today we're going to learn how to make a health bar system. This system will show how much health you currently have in a custom health bar that you can see right here. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make exactly that. Now what are we possibly waiting for? Let's get started. Well, the first thing we need to do is go to Start GUI and add a screen GUI. I'll call this Health Bar GUI. Once you've named your screen GUI, you can go ahead and add a frame. Now this frame is going to be the background of the health bar, so I'll just resize it to how I want it to be. Alright, so I'm going to rename this to Health Bar Background. There. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a UI stroke. Now this is going to be bordering the frame. I'll just make that like that. Alright, it looks good. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a frame inside here. This frame is going to be called Health Bar. Now I'm going to go ahead and make sure the size is 1 on both scales, X and Y. Oh shoot. So 1, 0, 1, 0. There you go. Should have number 1 on X, Y axis on the scale. So now you can go ahead and color the health bar to any way you want. I'll just do green since that's what most of them are usually on that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just make the same exact size as the health bar background. So it's going to be 1, 0, 1, 0. Then I'm going to go ahead and rename this. I'll just do NAN/NAN as placeholder text, and I'll text scale it, make it white, and then bold it up. And I don't think I need to change the font. I think that looks good. Alright, so as soon as we rename this text to health amount, we can go ahead and add a local script of health bar background. Now, with that local script, we need to define the local player. So local player equals game.getServicePlayers dot local player. Then we need to declare the character. So local character equals local player dot character, and then local humanoid equals character : wait for child, capital H UMANOID humanoid. Now we're going to go ahead and declare the health bar and health amount. So local health bar equals script.parent.health bar, local health amount equals script.parent.health amount. Now the last thing I think we need to declare, actually not the last thing, but local last health equals humanoid.health. There. So once this script runs for the first time, it's basically going to get the current humanoid health. Now we're going to go ahead and declare the tween service. So local TS equals game, .getService tween service, and then local tween params equals tweeninfo.new 0.3. I think that's going to be the duration, and then the enum.easing style. I'll make it print, comma space, enum.easing direction. I'll make it go out. And a comma space. I do not want it to repeat, and I do not want it to reverse, and I do not want it to delay. There. Now what we're going to do is type in humanoid dot health change connect function, and then right here we're going to go ahead. Oh wait, I'm new health after that. There. Now we're going to go ahead and just do this. If new health is greater, if new health is if less than last health, then, now we're just keep it like that. And then we're going to do else. So the else side right here is, actually no, I'm sorry. We're just going to take the else statement right here. Now we're going to leave this blank. So what we're going to do, we're going to type in TS create health bar, comma space, between params, comma space, and then put this inside a table with the 2 deformed brackets, and then we're going to type in size equals udum2.fromScale. Now since we're doing it from the scale, no pun intended, we have to put udum2.fromScale. However, if you're going to do it from the offset, you do udum2.fromOffset, or if you want to do both, you do udum2.new, which will have 4 arguments. Each of them can be for the X, Y axis. Each axis will have a scale and offset value. So right here we're going to do 1, let's see, I think 1, yes. So we'll put another parenthesis, 1 divided by humanoid.maxHealth multiplied by new health, and then new health. Oh god, new health and comma space 1. So I just set the scale on the x-axis to 1 divided by the humanoid max health, and then multiplied by the new health. So let me just explain this arithmetic thing here. So basically, we're going to divide the full size of the frame by the amount of the maximum health the humanoid has, and then we're going to multiply that number by the amount the humanoid has, like the amount of health points the humanoid has. So for example, in a 100 pixel frame, if I have 100 health points, then basically the health frame is going to be divided into 100 pieces. So each pixel represents 1% of my health. And if I have like 50 health, so that number is going to be multiplied by the current health I have. So if I had 50 health, it would just be halfway. And if I had 100 health, or equivalent to my maximum health, the frame would be all the way. So now, what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and do play. Alright, so right here, this should, whenever our humanoid health changes, it should alter the size of this frame, the health frame, or health bar. Now, the reason why I put this thing here is because I want to add some effect whenever the player loses health and not gains health. So if new health is less than the last health, so we're basically going to check if the new health that we have is less than the last health, because if that is true, that means we have taken damage. So here's what we're going to do. Health bar dot color, background color 3 equals color 3 dot new, actually from RGB 255, 0, 0. So this is basically going to be red because I did RGB, and 255 is basically the brightest of red I can do here. And then what we're going to do, we're gonna basically do a tween, so TS colon create health bar, comma space, tween params, comma space, and then we're going to do background color 3 equals color 3 dot from RGB, and then we can go ahead and get the current RGB value of our background, and then we're going to go ahead and play that. There. Now, once we do that, we're going to and I'm actually wait for 1 second before it does that, and then once we do that, we're going to go ahead and also update the text. So health amount dot text equals, and then basically this entire thing right here. So toString, this entire arithmetic equation thing here, and then we're gonna do slash, and then right here we're gonna do dot humanoid dot max health. There, so it should show the current health that we have, and then actually I don't even need to do this. Why did I even add this? Just do we're gonna do new health. Just new health. I don't even know why I added that. There. So right here we have the current health we have, and then we have the slash here, and then the max health for humanoid. So if we play this right now, I'm gonna go ahead and run a script. Game.players.character.humanoid take damage, and then right here I'll do 10. So as you can see, we should be losing health. As you can see, we are losing health right here. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and just like regain myself health. Humanoid.health equals 20, and oh no, I'm sorry, plus equals 20. As you can see, we don't want this thing happening though. Like, why is it happening, the red effect happening when we gain health? Well, that's because we have not set our new last health variable. So last health equals new health, aka the health that we just got. So now what we're going to do is we're basically going to go ahead and get the text and just place it right here before the event happens, and then oh shoot, I think it's wrong here. Like over right here, I think that's why I need to do humanoid.health. There you go. Alright, now, alright, there. So if we were to take damage, so health minus equals 20, as you can see, we're getting a lot of damage right here. As you can see, we die when we get no health, and as you can see, we have that effect. And then if we add health, as you can see, we don't have that effect, but we rather have our the bar just going up. Now, if you wanted to show the percentage of the humanoid health, you can go ahead and just make this text instead of like this. You can go ahead and multiply 100 by the current health my humanoid has, the humanoid health divided by humanoid max health. Alright, so now if we just pasted this entire text onto where it's right here, there. If I go to health amount and I change it to NaN %, we can go ahead and press play. As you can see, oh shoot, there's one more thing I should do. And dot and then %, dot and then %. There. So now right here, if I go ahead and just subtract my health, 80%, 60%, 40%, 20%, and 0. And even if I change the default humanoid maximum health, I'm pretty sure I can change it in the starter player or something. Right here, humanoid health display distance and stuff. Alright, so I guess I just can't do that, but I can do it manually. Like that max health. I'll say 200. There. So you wonder why I just went down to 50%? Because our current health is 100, which was our previous maximum health. And basically 100 is 50% of 200. So if I just set my health to 200 now, as you can see, it's 100% of our health. So if we now take damage, if you minus equals 20, as you can see, it goes down by 10% rather than 20% as than before. And the more you increase the maximum health, the less the damage is going to go, as long as it stays like this or a lower value. As you can see, we die, and there you go. So this concludes the tutorial on how to make a health bar system in ROBLOX Studio. I hope this helped you guys, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn the post notifications on so you can get more videos and get notifications about when I upload a tutorial. Let me know what type of video I should do in the future. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and have a great day, y'all.